Okay guys, I'm sorry again. I didn't film me putting it together. I was super rushed. I had no time to. But here's how it turned out. Yes, there's imperfections. There's dust and dirt on it right now. I was spray painted in driveway. Yes, that wipes off. It's fingerprints from the... You can see the shine and stuff. And yes, there's flaws and imperfections. This is probably not going to last but a year or two. It's temporary. I hooked these down with actual bolts this time instead of them stupid Christmas trees. I just shot this paint converts rust into metal and prevents it, obviously. So I shot over that little bit of rust, that little black cap, shot over some of that, just barely taped it off. Just hit that. It still looks crazy because I just hit it with paint. Also repainted my custom 3-point made with wrenches. And then this right here I did weeks ago with lead paint. I don't know why, but I did. Here's the other one. We're missing a bowl right there. That was from Bondo. Didn't see that. Didn't think about it. Didn't want to drill it and mess up my paint. You see, like, there's like little flaws, but for the most part, it looks a whole ton better having actual paint on the part. So that's how it looks right now. Also, I forgot to say, we have a working temperature gauge. I'll throw a picture in of what it looks like when it's actually turned on. Yes, it works. It's just like a little piece of metal that goes up against something hot, and it shows a temperature reading, and it goes up a little wire. And after I've really worked the mower, I got up to, I think, 260. I think 260. Well, that's the model of the mower. Convenient anyways. I need to replace the seat. I can't find this seat anywhere. So I might just go for like a seat cover or something. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this. Hope you guys enjoyed. I just realized I'm filming in the wrong direction for long form. Lord have mercy. You see, also this main body panel, the fender, then this belly pan or whatever you'd call it, those need to be repainted by an actual body shop guy who can like sandblast the whole thing and, you know, actually really do a good job. These wheels, as you can see from like the original chrome hubcaps, paint is like messed up on them. I have John Deere yellow paint come in, let's see, tomorrow in the mail. So when I get off work, I'm gonna sand these down, I'm gonna paint them, and that'll look a whole ton better. I might even touch up the back ones while I'm at it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see y'all in the next one.